Cartoon Kingdom, come and play. Fun and laughter every day.
One bright morning, Pikachu woke up in a magical forest, feeling happy and full of energy. Suddenly, Pikachu heard a strange sound coming from the bushes. Oh no! A tiny bird was crying. It looked lost and scared. Don't worry, little bird. I will help you find your home.
Oh no! Team Rocket appeared to cause trouble! They tried to capture Pikachu with a net! Pika! G-H-U-Oo! Thunderbolt attack! Then soft rain began to fall from the sky.
After the rain, a beautiful rainbow appeared.
They climbed a tall mountain to search for the bird's home. Look! The bird recognized its home. The little bird reunited with its family. Thank you, Pikachu! It was time for Pikachu to head back home. Fireflies lit up the path like tiny stars.